Hi friends, welcome back to our Gulf Jobs for Degree Diploma Mechanical Engineers 2021 February. In this Gulf job video, we are included companies like Samil Group Saudi Arabia, Nomac Jeddah Saudi Arabia, Nava Energy Company UAE, Con Corporation Dubai, Arabian Drilling Company ADC. Some opportunities in this video are set for freshers also. So please watch the video till the end. In this, first one is Samil Group. Samil Group Holding Company is a family investment company with a huge interest and investment around the world. The group offers its advanced products and services and also provides excellent opportunity for investors and partners in all its industrial, petrochemical and service sector. The energy driving more than 60 sector business is the 21,000 strong workforce in more than 60 countries, vast manufacturing facilities and strong affiliations with numerous international partners. For the career opportunities, you have to press opportunities, then careers. Sometimes the page is seen in Arabic, then you have to change it on to English. In this, you can see the group of companies of Samil. Around 17 group of companies are there for Samil Group. In below that you can see the current opportunities. For seeing all jobs, please press on the view all jobs. Then you will direct to another window with all jobs are listed. In these jobs, lots of jobs can be applied by mechanical engineers and diploma holders. For example, the safety officer plan can be applied for a mechanical engineer with a 3-year experience. In the next page, you can see CNC programmer or machinist. Turning and milling can be applied by a diploma mechanical with a 5-year experience. If we press these jobs, we can see the job in a detailed view. This is a quality control inspector pro mech job. In this you can see degree or diploma in discipline can be applied. This can be applied for a fresher mechanical. So oil and gas sector job is a job location is Dammam, Saudi Arabia. Year of experience they are seeking for 0 to 1 year only. You can see here degree or diploma in any discipline can apply for this job. Fresh graduate can be applied for this job. Several other jobs are also available in this site. Please go through one by one. This is the details of maintenance technician mechanical job. So year of experience required is 3 to 5 years only. Education requirement is diploma only. Before going to next company, let us see something about Unacademy. Legends of GATE and ESE now on Unacademy. The top educators in GATE and ESE having joined Unacademy having more than 20 years of experience. Ravindra Babu sir has cleared GATE and ESE and he did his masters from IISc Bangalore. Subbarao Reddy sir did his masters from IIT Bombay and Vishnu sir, one of the top educators with 20 plus years of relevant experience. Join their special classes and batches. Link is in description. The educators are backed with informative badges that will help you crack GATE or ESE examination. Now about Unacademy Compact. Unacademy Free Compact came again on 21st February morning 11 am. This compact is for 60 minutes. You can check your knowledge level through this. This time there are 3 branches can check their knowledge in compact. They are mechanical, CS and IT and civil. Top 3 winners from each branches will get 100% scholarship on plus subscription. 100 winners from each branches will be given additional discounts. There are some terms and conditions for this scholarship. Main condition is scholarship needs to be availed within 7 days. All other terms and conditions are shown in screen and please read those carefully. Next is Nomac Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Founded in 2005, Nomac, the first national operation and maintenance company, provides high quality O&M services for the production of electricity and desalinated water worldwide. Nomac is a wholly owned subsidiary of ACWA Power. Nomac have sites in more than 10 countries operating all across the Middle East and North Africa. Their prime area of operation are in production of power, water desalination projects regionally and globally. For finding the job opportunities in Nomad, you have to press working with us, then career. Then you will direct to a new website. In that you have to press search job. Then you can see current opportunities available for this Nomad. In these jobs, some jobs can be applied by UAE nationals only, and some can be applied for Indians also. Some of the jobs that Indian can apply are mechanical engineer with a low experience mid-level post. This post is for mechanical engineers. Skills required for the job is practical experience and know-how of mechanical engineering, knowledge of downtime analysis and practical knowledge of problem solving tools, etc. You can read all the relevant things in this site, and if it found suitable to you, you can apply on here itself. Another job is mechanical technician. This is a diploma level job with no experience is required for this job. It's a entry level job. Minimum experience required is 3 years. This can be applied by a diploma holder, and diploma holder with a coal power plant experience persons can apply for coal and ash field operator UAE also. This is also a mid-level career, and if you have 3 to 5 years of experience, you can apply for this job. Next is Nava Energy Company UAE. Nava, the world's newest nuclear operator, will harness the power of nuclear energy to provide a safe, reliable, clean and sustainable supply of low carbon electricity to contribute to the UAE's social and economic development and enhance the quality of life for generations to come. Established in 2016, Nova Energy Company will operate and maintain Unit 1 to 4 at Barak Nuclear Energy Plant, the first nuclear energy plant in the UAE and the region located at Al Dhafra region, Abu Dhabi. Industry Nava will generate up to 5,600 megawatt of energy from the 4 units of Barak, supplying approximately 25% of UAE's electrical requirements. For job opportunities, please press careers, and then we will direct to another site. Then in this we can search the keyword mechanical, and we can see the total opportunities available. In these opportunities we can see lots of posts that can apply by mechanical engineer and diploma holder. In this mechanical engineers, please go through each and every post and apply if your qualification and experience meet with the requirement. Some of the jobs that can apply by a mechanical engineer are mechanical maintenance supervisor. Key skills and experience required for this post are mentioned in the website itself. This diploma or equivalent only is needed for this job. 2 years of power plant experience is required. 1 year of nuclear power plant experience is desirable. Likewise, another job is maintenance transition coach. For this job, bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering with 4 years of maintenance experience only required. Nuclear power plant experience is a desirable quality, and if your experience and qualification is meet with this, you can apply for this job. Next is Kone Corporation Dubai. Kone Corporation, founded in 1910 and headquartered in Finland, is an international engineering and service company employing over 55,000 personnel across 60 countries worldwide. In addition, Kone builds and services moving walkways, automatic door and gates, escalators and elevators. The company provides local services for builders, developers, building owners, designers and architects in 1,000 officials in over 50 countries. For seeing job opportunities, we have to press career, then open position. Then we can see all the jobs available for apply. Around 686 jobs are available for Kone now. In this, we have to search with the keyword mechanical. When we search for the keyword mechanical, we found around 35 results are there. In this, some of the jobs can be applied by Indians also. You have to search each and every post if it is applicable or not. For example, I can show you one job that can apply for a that can apply by an Indian field operation quality engineer. Field operations quality engineer, Dubai. Mechanical engineer can apply with a 3 year of experience. Likewise, you can see lots of job in this search. Find one by one and search according to your needs. Next is Arabian Drilling Company ADC job. The Arabian Drilling Company is a pioneer regional leader in the oil and gas drilling services in 1964. They support the drilling industry with innovative technology solution to tackle some of the most critical challenges while maintaining a culture focused on people. At ADC, we have prioritized the development and care of our employees with industry leading training and benefits programs as we continue to improve our service quality and safety performance. For getting job opportunities in Arabian Drilling Company, we have to search with the keyword mechanical here. When we search with mechanical, we can see this much job opportunities are available for them at present. In each job we have to look after and it suitable with your qualification and experience, you can apply for this. That's all for this week's Gulf jobs. For the next Gulf job video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.